a rebound play could be of consideration. One other name that's showing up is MYT, Mike Yankee Tango. Announces closing of the 4.6 million registered direct offering. Generally speaking, those names tend to move up very nicely also, right? The first initial move for these names, they get pumped up because they need to pump the stock up to have that offering. And then once they get the offering to raise money, we tend to see potential bounces. All right, so ELTK, bringing this onto the main screen. This is what you want to take a look at right now. Definitely a short-term floor. It's that volume-weighted average price. Why? Because of the reaction that we've seen at this particular indicator. That's not a coincidence, okay, by the way. That's a rejection. And so it's been floating above this level.